welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking all about skincare and makeup, kind of breaking it down how I do my makeup every time I get ready and all that. So I feel like I finally perfected like the perfect makeup routine, so I wanted to show you guys an updated one. I did one like I think last year, probably summertime, so it's been a year, but a lot has changed and I've had some new products and I'm loving them, so I wanted to share with you guys. I haven't done my skincare routine yet, so I wanted to kind of also walk through with that. Here are all my skincare that I use. I also have to go wash my face, so let's go do that, because to get like perfect skin and a perfect makeup look, to like make it stick all day and just like look flawless and nice and clean, you have to have your skincare down. Okay, so what I use every day is this extra gentle daily scrub from Cetaphil. It's just like a nice easy scrub that I just use, so I really like this. I've been using it for a while. I don't know if it does anything to be honest, but it's just really nice and it makes my skin feel really nice and smooth after, so yeah. Okay, and then for everyday cleanser, I use the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin, and it's the green one. I really love this, and it doesn't like foam up, if that makes sense, so I really like that. That's what I basically do for cleansers and like scrubs and all that in the morning and evening. So yeah, now let's get on to all the other products I do for my skincare. First up, for skincare, I am going to be using the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This is literally one of the best things ever. Good Molecules actually sent me some of their products to try, and they sent me this. This isn't sponsored or anything, but dude, I can definitely see like a difference in my skin, and I think I have before and after pictures. I don't know for sure, but it's still in the process, but dude, I definitely recommend. And they're like really inexpensive, so I feel like it's such a good brand with such good products that actually work, that aren't like, you know, like $50 or something like that. So I just take a cotton pad and basically kind of sweep through my skin. Definitely recommend. This is one of my go-tos now. Like, I will definitely be getting, I think it's like 14 bucks or something like that, so really good. Next thing I use is the hyaluronic acid serum. It's also from Good Molecules. It looks like this. So nice, but a little goes a long way, so I'm just gonna be taking one here and then like one right up here, and then I either go in, I have some eye creams, okay guys, like I have this one from First Aid Beauty, and then I also have one from Good Molecules, but let's just use Good Molecules since we're just using all their products right now. So I'm just gonna go in with literally just a little pump on the back of my hand. Like that much, barely anything. Also, another brand that I really recommend is In Beauty Project. I usually use also this other serum. It's called the Green Machine Skin Transforming Oil Jelly Serum, and this stuff is so good. And then I also use their moisturizer, which, oh my god, it's like a liquid or a water-based moisturizer, so yeah, this is amazing too. But I'm going to go with the In Beauty one today for the moisturizer, and basically a little bit. Of course, I end up with sunscreen. I have the glow screen, which I do use, and I think I'm going to use that when I do my makeup, but I do also use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen, SPF 55. I like it. I don't know why people kind of hate it, but I like this. It's really good. That's what I do for my skincare basically, every day, every night. So it's like I have a routine finally, and I love the products I'm using, so I definitely recommend. Yeah, now let's get on to the makeup routine. We have a long way to go. I'm gonna take a coffee break because I haven't even had coffee in the morning, and it's like, I don't even know what time it is. I'm gonna get some coffee and then I'll come back and do my makeup routine. I think my hair will be dried by then. So it's a bit later now. My hair is like completely dried. I did make my coffee. It's almost gone too. Let's get ready and show you guys my makeup. So I use these clips. I got them off of Amazon. They'll be linked in my storefront if you guys want to like get them. They were so inexpensive, and they came in a pack like of 14 or something like that. First up, I'm gonna be using, okay, also it's like thundering out. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm gonna be using some Glow Screen in SPF 40. It's just such a, like, I love this. Like, This product is so good. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Usually I go for a primer, sometimes I don't, but it's this Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless primer. Just that much, I don't know. I'm just get it on like the nose. I also got my eyebrows done like for the first time in literally like over a year, probably, I think. And wow, it has completely changed everything. Okay, next up I'm gonna go in with my Pixie by Petra. I've had this for a minute too, and it's like, I like it. I'm pretty sure there are better options for a brightening color corrector-ish kind of thing, but I just take a little bit on my ring finger and just pat it down. And I put it under my eyes, but I also put it like on parts of my skin where I'm gonna put my concealer if I have any blemishes, so it covers up a little bit easily. I'm trying out this new concealer and it's from Kulfi. I don't know if they actually, like, they sent it to me, but I don't know if they actually have concealers on their website, because I went to go see it out, like check it out and see how much it would be if I were to repurchase. Could not find it. Dude, this is so good, and I did like such a perfect shade match because it literally is like so nice, but it's like this tiny little applicator, and I don't know if I'm a huge fan of the applicator. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? The best part, hold up. I just apply my concealer like right here, over here, and then just kind of like everywhere else. I forgot to put my Flawless filter. I don't really wear foundation, but I got the mini version of the Flawless filter to go check it out and see how it is and see if it's worth purchasing. I really want to try the e.l.f. one because I know that's like a way cheaper alternative to this, because it's not really a foundation, you know what I mean? Dude, the shade match literally matches so well to my concealer. I can't even believe I did that. Love it. I actually do, I would recommend it, not gonna lie. The small one, I think I paid like what, 12, 15 bucks, I don't know, something like that. And I've had it for a minute. Next up, contour. I'm gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury contour, fair medium. Yeah, literally the best product ever. That whole brand has my heart, and I would love to be on their PR list. Imagine if I was on their PR list. But I'm almost running out and I'm so sad because I don't know if I'll be able to get this again. But 3 dots here, kind of like focusing on the high points of my cheek, and then my nose, I'm just gonna do a line here and then a little thing like that. That's basically how I'm applying everything. I also got this brush. I forgot the brand it's from, but it's so nice. Like, it's like a contour brush and it's kind of like semicircled. Dude, I love it because it's such a like easy way to like blend your contour in. Dude, I've been like kind of transitioning into using brushes besides like beauty blenders when I'm doing my makeup. Like, I even got a concealer brush and I really like it. It just makes my skin so dewy. I don't even know how to describe it. Definitely will recommend like all the products I'm using, because I feel like now I finally have like brands that I really like, and yeah, there might be expensive, but I feel like it's so worth it because it definitely transforms like your makeup. I am using Vera Beauty, of course, like duh. This one's in Bliss, Love, and Hope, and this whole summer I've just been obsessed with Hope. It's such a nice like nuded pink color, and it's one of my favorites. Yeah, a little goes a long way, so trust the process, but literally I do like that much. I don't know if you can even see that. And then I'm gonna use a brush to blend, but kind of like focusing on the high points of my face, if that makes sense, for the blush. And then in the summertime, I kind of like putting it on my nose, kind of like giving me that sun-kissed, sunburnt look. We're gonna be baking and just setting our face because it's hot and humid out, so definitely need to do some of this. So I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier powder in translucent. I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and just kind of like pressing it in. So we have some, but I'm gonna take the excess off of my hand. I kind of just like patting it for my under eyes first, and just taking the rest from my hands and kind of just patting it in places where I get really oily. For eyeliner, I've been back into that, and I do like a little wing that's barely noticeable. Usually I use this liquid liner from Maybelline. It's called the Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in black. It's really nice, really recommend. But I've been digging this one. It's from Kulfi Beauty, and it's in, I think, Nuzzle No More. It's so like smooth, I don't even know how to describe it. What I basically do is just create a little line. I think these match. And if I'm like going out and it's like kind of more fancy-ish, I will do my like waterline, and that's a whole different look. Next up, we're gonna curl our lashes. I just have this random eyelash curler. I don't even know where it's from. Just like that. Dude, these are the two mascaras I will recommend till the end of times. It's first up is the inexpensive one. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Amazing, phenomenal. Next up is this one from Lancome, and it's called Monsieur Big. Don't know how to pronounce that, but this is kind of more on the expensive side for mascaras. So good though, literally amazing. But today we're gonna use this because it looks like my lashes, I'm wearing like falsies on it. I've also recently this summer been wearing falsies when I'm like going to like fancier stuff, and dude, freaking life-changing. How I apply my mascara is I like drag it from the root of my eyelashes. Does that even make any sense? Do you see this? Like, does it not look like I have falsies on right now? It's kind of crazy, but this is just my natural lash. Okay, and then before I do my bottom lashes, I'm going to like take off all that excess like powder I have that I put on before, and I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Private Island. Phenomenal, we love Rihanna. To add some color back to my face. A step we cannot forget is contouring our nose. So we're just gonna take this like mini, I don't even know what this is, and just put some powder where I put the contour, kind of dragging it up like into our eyebrow basically. I learned that from James Charles. Do the little nose thing under the nose, kind of bring it down. Okay, and then for highlighter, I'm gonna be using Rare Beauty in Flaunt, the liquid highlighter. So good, freaking love it. So I'm gonna put it on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and I'm just gonna be using my finger to kind of blend it in because the warmth of your finger, it like blends in better. And one of my favorite parts in my makeup is I'm taking the Hannah Meloche palette. Dude, this palette is like one of my favorites. I've had it for so long. I don't even remember, and it still smells so good. But I'm gonna be taking this highlighter that's in here, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner to brighten it up. Since blush is like one of the first things to like go off your face, I learned that through TikTok. I don't know if that's actually true, but I'm gonna be taking the blush right here in this palette. I need some new recommendations for some blush so if you have any like good powdered blushes, please comment down below. And I'm just gonna set the blush that I already have on my face, and we're just gonna apply it the same way. And lastly, for lips, this is literally one of my favorite inexpensive combos for a lip combo, and it's literally Maybelline products, like wow. But it's this crayon, I don't even know what it's called. It's the Super Stay ink crayon in Achieve It All. Literally the perfect pink nude. I love it so much. So good. I don't know why these aren't hyped enough as they should be, but it's the Lifter glosses from Maybelline, and this one's in Opal. It's just like a sheer gloss, and I just apply that on top. You guys, what? Like, are you kidding me? Then setting spray. So I usually go with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, but I ran out of it, so we're gonna be going with, of course, Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. One of my faves, but dude, I'm obsessed. I think I finally have nailed down my like makeup routine, and literally my favorite thing ever. This is how I've been basically doing my makeup every day, or not every day, that's a big lie. How I've been doing my makeup like all the time, and yeah, that's just it. It's so simple. Literally, I feel like I'm not doing anything. I could do it with my eyes closed. Here is my makeup in natural lighting. Yeah. And then if I'm like trying to like look at least a little bit presentable, which how I will be wearing my makeup every day for like college or whatever, it's just blush, mascara, a little bit of bronzer, maybe a contour, and then like my Carmex, you know what I mean? And then that's it. I'm out the door. Yeah, it's literally one of my favorite looks ever. Super simple, basically nothing. Products, 10 out of 10, recommend every single thing that I've said in this video. So if you buy it, let me know and tell me your thoughts on Instagram. That's basically it for this makeup routine. I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here, of course. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank. Let's chat.
Who is she? I don't know. looking presentable once for a YouTube video, that's for sure.